In a shocking case of cybercrime, a man from Kentucky went to extraordinary lengths to escape his financial responsibilities. Jesse Kipf, a 39-year-old from Somerset, hacked into state death registries to fake his own death, all in a desperate attempt to avoid paying child support. But his elaborate scheme unraveled, leading to his arrest and a 9-year prison sentence. Today, we delve into the details of this audacious crime and the consequences that followed. The scheme unveiled. In January 2023, a crime unlike any other shook the state of Kentucky. Jesse Kipf, a 39-year-old man from Somerset, decided to fake his own death to dodge his mounting child support obligations. Kipf wasn't just an ordinary man trying to escape his responsibilities. He was a seasoned hacker who infiltrated government databases with ease. His target? The Hawaii Death Registry System. Using stolen credentials from an unsuspecting doctor living in another state, Kipf created a false death record for himself. He meticulously filled out the required forms, even going so far as to assign himself as the medical certifier. This act resulted in his name being registered as deceased in multiple government databases, a move he hoped would erase his obligations. But Kipf's criminal activities didn't stop there. He also infiltrated other state death registries and private business networks using stolen credentials, attempting to sell access to these networks on the dark web. This wasn't just about avoiding child support. It was a larger scheme that threatened the security of various governmental and corporate systems. The elaborate nature of Kipf's crimes caught the attention of multiple law enforcement agencies. His activities caused significant damage, totaling $195,758.65 in restitution for the affected computer systems and unpaid child support. The arrest and sentencing. Kipf's scheme began to unravel when he was arrested in November 2023. Realizing the gravity of his situation, he confessed to his crimes, admitting that part of his motivation was to escape his child support obligations. In April 2024, he pleaded guilty to charges of computer fraud and aggravated identity theft. On Monday, August 19th, U.S. District Judge Robert Ware handed down a sentence of 81 months, nearly 7 years, in federal prison for Kipf. Under federal law, Kipf must serve 85% of his sentence before becoming eligible for release. After serving his time, he will be under the supervision of the U.S. Probation Office for an additional 3 years. The case has sparked outrage and concern, highlighting the potential dangers of cybercrime in today's digital age. U.S. Attorney Carlton Shire stated, "This scheme was a cynical and destructive effort, based in part on the inexcusable goal of avoiding his child support obligations." This case is a stark reminder of how damaging criminals with computers can be and how critically important computer and online security is to us all. FBI's Special Agent Michael E. Stansberry echoed this sentiment, emphasizing the lifelong impact of identity theft on its victims. He assured the public that the FBI would continue to pursue those who engage in such cowardly behavior. Conclusion: Jesse Kipf's story serves as a cautionary tale of how far some will go to escape their duties and the severe consequences that follow. His actions caused significant harm, not just to those he targeted but to himself as well. Let this case be a reminder that no matter how elaborate the scheme, the truth will eventually come to light. Thanks for watching today's deep dive into the audacious crimes of Jesse Kipf. If you found this case as intriguing as we did, make sure to follow us on TikTok and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as always, stay curious and stay safe.